Another very beautiful elevator today, a beautiful composition also.
Yeah.
It's here on Mikael Lybeckin katu 4, or Mikael Lybecks gata, here in Helsinki, Finland. Today on the 14th of August 2023. And this one has 6 floors. It was built in 1937, turned 85 years old in 2022. Very beautiful cab also. And let's see if it has the original machine. That will take 3 minutes or 2 rides, depending on that.
Yeah.
And the number is AF362. Best takes 3 purses per fingers. I love the smell in here.
The same.
The inspection is delayed, it should have been in 2021.
Yeah.
But luckily it's still original. But the machine, let's see. Let's see the machine. Is it original?
Yes.
Oh, then 6. It's amazing.
Yeah.
3 rides then.
Yeah.
The 4-3 button is strange.
Yeah.
It's just a gun, this ring here.
Yeah. These devices not maintained by Connie.
And this is... I love the smell.
Same.
You see the quality. Same.
Yeah.
But the button is a bit different.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, I think also the batteries, that they can be a bit different.
Yeah.
Some of them are more brass, but this is more chrome. And this is also chrome.
Yeah. Niskuttiit pakivais. Or I already said.
Very funny when you forgot what it said.
Yeah.
The inspector and the maintenance.
Yeah.
Or the one that's maintaining. Yeah, no, press it. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's